Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the city water inlet on your camper. This one is actually bent. It looks like somebody took a pair of pliers and tried to work the water hose off with a pair of pliers, and they bent the inlet in the process. So I'm going to show you how to change it. Really quick, easy thing, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is take out the 3 screws that are right here, and I have already done that, so we can move on to the next step. So after that, your inlet will just come off. It'll kind of pop out, and you'll see you'll have your connection right there, and you pretty much just twist it off, just like that. Whoop. And be prepared for there to be some pressure. After your pressure has been relieved and you've had a little bit of water drain out, you get your new inlet right here. And make sure that there is a washer inside there, and it looks like there is. So you just screw the new one right back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, and now that we have done that, I'm going to get some butyl tape. Just kind of stick some butyl tape around the back side of it. Okay. Make sure that's good and seated. And this camper, the screws were actually pretty rusted. Let me show you. Those were the old screws, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace the screws. Now that we have the new inlet on, the next step is to trim the extra butyl tape around the inlet and then put some caulk on it, and you're good to go. That's it. Y'all comment if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want me to do a video on. Like and subscribe and share with your friends, and y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.